wan jungok kai perthai na jilla but kaparolok jongu kabana Nagaland ula Pynpaw ka jing suk kamen sim ban yorung ha dukan dia madan ba thymmai kaba hamuda ha kaba uloong ba menta la yo ban thiet da kaba suk basan la lat na ka jingkmen but kibadiru kila yo ban dia lat lut uloong ba menta kila lat na uslap kalaer but kila yo ban dia lat lut.
It's well disciplined and maintained, so it's better to put their shops inside because the rain also occurs. It's better here.
So that you can collect freely the items.
Yeah, you can collect without any issues like rain and all, windy. So
And congested also.
it's not even just congested like before in the outside area. So we can eat this pretty well. For them, it's better only because the outsider like tourists like us, they will prefer like places like this more than outside because sometimes it rains, so some feels uncomfortable during rainy season. So they might feel more pleasure here shopping than outside.
You are from outside state or what?
Yeah, I'm from Assam. And
Assam.
He's from Nagaland.
Oh, in Nagaland. Thank you very much.